guys, welcome back to another episode, and today is gonna be part 2. Part 2 is gonna be about accessories, so stay tuned. I want to show you everything about that I put on that bike. All right guys, if you guys new to my channel, I'm Jerry Fong. I usually do review electric vehicle, but today I'm talking about my Yamaha MT-03 2021 Storm Fluo. Storm Fluo is the color. So we're gonna talk about today about the accessory that I put on and some modification that you will find out that they're not like that expensive. Everything that I put on this bike is not that expensive. So I wanna show you what I put on already, okay? All right guys, one of the first things that I bought, it was this pair of gloves by Alpine Star. They were about $60 without tax. I bought it on Amazon. I'm gonna put the links below. The second one was this cell phone mount, which is easy to put on. You know, you gotta attach 2 bolts here and you put the phone right this, and then you squeeze it and tight it. I was very skeptical in this, that my phone actually, it held so good. You can see this, it hold the phone into the mount, it won't fly off. So I can put it this way or I can put it sideways, but I always prefer it this way. My other accessory that I added on was the screen protector. A little bit of air came up there, but it's fine, it doesn't bother me. That's a screen protector because the original is plastic, and the first time I'm trying to clean it with a cloth, I actually scratched it, plastic scratches. The other one, it was my level brake and my clutch level. I switched them all so I can put the level I wanted, because I found out the stock, when I used to clutch and release it, I had to release it all the way out. Like I'm not like having basketball hand or like a basketball player hand, like had to be huge. But now, since I set it on one, as soon as I release it just a little bit like this, it will already start moving. And my other mod would be adding the USB. It's come all the way inside to the battery, attached to the battery. It's under the seat. It's easy to go to the seat. You first have to remove the passenger seat and these 2 bolts, and then after that, there's 2 bolts holding the seat. The seat comes out like this way, slide out, and then you will be have access to the battery. And obviously the helmet is one of my accessories. And one of my most expensive accessory was the tail light fender eliminator. This is by TST. I'm gonna put the link below. This is the smoke version. You cannot see the red. And the other one, the most expensive one, was this. It's by Acrobricks and makes the bike sounds a little beefier, and it makes some, you know, popping noise when you high revolution, which is, I like it. So I didn't modify the computer, nothing. It just does it by itself. And this was $280 from Amazon. And this one was TNT with the plate mount. It was everything almost $200. So this is the most expensive mod that I put on. Even though this one safe is for the R3 Yamaha, it actually, they use the same motor and then they use the same frame. So basically, it fit on the MT-03. So don't be afraid when you buy this one from Amazon. The other one is this slider. They're by Shotgun. Please do not get those Chinese one from AliExpress. That's the only thing I would not recommend to get from AliExpress. Get the brand name slider. That could save your motorcycle and save you in case you slide sideways and you don't lose your knees or leg or whatever. And this is another mod that I add. This is a stop light and turning signal. I will show you how it looks now. Let me show you closer. So that's the turning signal / stop. So let me turn this off. And when I apply the brakes, yeah, right there. The turning signal / stop light. Another one I add, it wasn't that expensive. I add these lines. They kind of reflect it, and then they kind of give like a contrast to the wheel because it was too orangey for my like. And then I add the Yamaha decal. Where's the Yamaha logo? Oh, right there. Just a trend, it won't make any difference, but the good thing is that it reflected. So when the car headlight hits you, it will light up. And yeah, another one, didn't see what's the purpose of it, but it's this. It's like I think this is the brake fluid. It's a brake fluid, you know, protector cover slash, I don't know, but it just make it to look a little nicer. It won't make any difference to the bike. It's just a tiny accessory. And the other one, it was this. It was actually quite expensive to find this screw. It's an MA screw to cover the whole of the original mirror. Can you focus? Yeah. And yeah, there were $8 for those two. I think it was kind of expensive for that. Another accessory was this that I bought. It is the key cover. It won't make any difference for the bike, but it just looks nicer. I just like the red color. And a lot of people ask me about the front fender. This is not the original carbon fiber. I actually vinyl wrap it, and I had to modify a little bit so I can mount it on top of the existing, no windshield, but from front cover. So on the manual, which is there's none, but I just had to see it from other buyer picture, they removed the original one and mount this on the frame. So I bent a little bit the mount over here so I can mount it actually on top of the original cover, so I don't lose this. It actually looks better because before it looks empty here. No, I don't like that. A lot of people modify the turning signal. I believe their turning signal are fine. The only one that I eliminated the one on the back because they were together with the fender, and I didn't like the fishtail that looks like a mermaid. I don't know. And I added this. This is a belt, not belt because not belt, it's not electric. It's a chain cover slash mud guard, so I won't get dirty over there or the rear side of the engine, and it kind of protect your from weather, stone slash anything that you go on the road. So I have it. This is all the one more thing, the addition of the mirror. I chose this size mirror because this is a perfect view for me. Some people like it under, or some people like it the original one, but for me this one was better. And also I chose concave because I can see more. The stock, they were fine located, but I couldn't see much on my rear. So when I'm on the bike, I can only see this much. But on this mirror, I can see this much when I'm looking back. Well, another one would be the horn. I changed the horn for a better one. It sounds a little beefier. It's not gonna make much difference, but before it sounds just like a Vespa scooter. It was very ridiculous, and it makes you feel inferior for some reason, like you have such a beefy bike and then it just sounds like a electric bike, something like that, or like a, you know, Barbie scooter, something like that. So that's what I upgraded that. And oh, wait, this is my last mod that I forgot to tell you on the video. Is this one. It's actually the light that glows inside that I put inside the frame, but at nighttime you can't see it. I'm gonna show you later some footages how it looks. I added there and there and here. There's two more light that goes underneath, but I didn't have the, you know, the need to put it underneath, so I only put two in the middle and two in the back, so they are not noticeable if I don't tell you, but in nighttime looks so fabulous. So I want to wait until it gets darker and show you that part of the video, but that is another add-on that I forgot to tell you. Okay, it is beautiful at nighttime. It looks like the Night Rider, and you can choose different colors, but I only like the glowing, breathing style of red because match with my theme, but you can put blue, purple, yellow, green, etc. Okay, so this is one of my best mods for nighttime. I would say another add-on that I put in my bag, it was this logo from Decepticon Transformer, because it reminds me, you see this? Remind me of this, the face of the bike. It's pretty similar. I like this feature, from the light to the sticker. It reminds me of the Transformer, the Decepticon, the bad guys, but not a bad guy, I'm a good guy. All right, one more thing guys, I forgot to tell you that all the accessory is the one I wear it on. It's not only on the bike, it's this, it's a special jacket by Beyond's ESK. It actually, even though it looks like a regular jacket, maybe you thought it was a regular jacket, it actually comes with the protection gear level 2 or level 1. This one is considered level 2. It's softer and it had that technology that absorbed the impact. So it's actually remind me that it's like absorbing pad. So if you hit it harder, it will become harder. If you hit it softer, it will go softer. So this is one. It comes with the shoulder, elbow, and spine protection. So this would be another video because this is the company that's gonna sponsor me. And also these jeans that come with the double stitching and also have knee and side pads. This is level 1 inside. They're harder, but it's not as much as this one. So that would be another video. They're gonna sponsor me for this protection gear. It's only for motorcycle and also can be used in electric vehicle. So this would be another video. And yeah, pretty much. And the shoes. Those are reinforced shoes with the special pads for shifting and braking. So it's easy to take off because it had a side zipper, so you can remove it easier, and it comes with the reinforced metal protection. So you, in case you crashes or something, it will save you foot. So this is good for motorcycle, especially made for motorcycle. And yeah, I think pretty much that, besides the glove and this. So this is the accessory that I'm wearing not on the bike. This is what the user, the driver or the rider use when you're riding the motorcycle or any fast vehicle that can put your life in danger. Pretty much said, this is how far I done on my bike. So hopefully you like it. And yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you.